केदे व्हडले व्हडले होण्या पडल्या रस्त्यांचेर. सो बीग पॉटहोल्स. Panje is the capital city. You know that.
First of all, I only don't know what are the.
Nothing new in that.
I didn't get it.
I mean, no MLA knows what is happening in his constituency. तू नु रे, you are good. कितें तर, you are good.
Okay.
बाबूश, पावसान रस्ते फोडटात मरे पणजेन. What is the meaning of this?
Work is in progress.
That I understood. Work is in progress. But where is the progress in work?
I didn't get it.
I mean, who is at fault for this monsoon mess?
Government is not at fault on this.
Then who is at fault?
I cannot tell you right now.
When is that famous jet patcher machine coming? रावला वाट पळयता हांव jet patcher machine. When is it coming?
I think it should be within a year's time. I think it should come.
Oh, next year, next rainy season. What kind of affairs are these?
Who basically manages their affairs?
Your party?
And then
We know you are still not happy.
what you are trying to tell me? I didn't get it.
Yeah, you understand everything. But if we try to understand you, we will forget what we have understood, all these understandings.